Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I want to show you 3 great applications to get all your games, all your sports, okay? These apps have been around for a long time. They work really great on a Fire Stick and other devices, but especially on a Fire Stick, they work really great. You catch all the games, football games, soccer games, hockey, baseball, anything you'd like. But not only I'm going to show you how to install these 3 great applications I've tested throughout many years, and these have been working out very well. I'm also going to show you access to my store, which you can fully load your Fire Stick, because I'm sure a lot of you that watch sports, perhaps also watch movies and TV shows, or are interested in live television as well. So I'm going to mention those apps as well. But first, I'm going to mention the 3 that I'm going to show you how to install. I'm going to show you how to get them, where to get the newest version, and how to get the rest as well. Super easy. So if you're on a Fire Stick and it's the first time you're doing this perhaps with the unlinked store, the first thing you have to do is go to the gear icon here. And once you're there, you want to go to My Fire TV or My Device. Just click inside of there. And you'll notice I have developer options. You may not have developer options, which is completely fine. You want to click on that About menu. You see my device name, Fire TV here. You might see Fire TV Stick, 4K, Max, maybe other information, don't worry about it. Click 8 times on your device name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need, you are already a developer. But for you, if you're doing this first time at home, it'll say now you are a developer. Now once you do that, click back. You'll notice you have developer options. That's fine. Click one more back to take you to this menu, and one more back, and then one more back to take you to the main Fire Stick menu. Now from here, you want to go to Find. This is the next step. You want to click down to the search right there, and you want to click inside of that search box. And you can use the Alexa remote, or you can type it in. We want to search for an application called Downloader. Downloader. Once you do that, you'll notice an application will come up like this. Don't get it confused for other apps. Look for that orange icon with the big white D right in the middle, Downloader. Okay, once you see that, and also look for the 665,000 reviews, okay, 4 stars. Click on the downloader and proceed by clicking the download button. Now, don't open it up once it installs. There's a couple of things we have to do, so don't press open yet. Let it install. It'll notify you that it's successfully installed, but we're not going to open it up. All we have to do now is hit the home button, okay? So we have downloader installed. Now, the next step you want to do for your sports apps is settings. And you want to go to My Fire TV or My Device, and you want to click inside there. You want to click on Developer Options. You want to click on Install Unknown Apps, and you want to put the downloader to the on position just like that. Okay. Once you do that, we're going to click once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times back, just like that. Now, the next necessary step for these apps to work and show all the sports that are being blocked out is to go to Find and go to Search. And in here, you want to type this one out. You want to put in IPV, exactly like you see it on my screen, ANISH. IP Vanish in one word, no spaces. Highlight the IP Vanish word, just like that, and click to search. Now, an application is going to come up, I believe, with 94,000 reviews, 4 stars as well. Black background, big P in the middle, green lettering, okay, white and green lettering. Click on the IP Vanish logo and download IP Vanish and let it install. Now, what a VPN is going essentially to do is going to keep you protected, safe. It's going to show you those sports and the links that are being blocked by internet service providers. Not only that, it displays links for movies in HD, all other apps, unblocks content, unblocks the apps, and unblocks access to my favorite unlinked store that's been built just for you guys to get over 60 applications that are super premium. Okay, so open it up and you'll see IP Vanish come up like this. Now you're going to need to put your email and your password. And you're probably thinking, I don't have one. I have one. I'm going to log in with mine. But if you don't have one, that's fine. You can scan this barcode here or go to this bit.ly link right here in your browser or phone. Also in the pinned comment description, there's a clickable link. What this will do, will take you to a landing page, and at that landing page, you'll have 82% off. So there's a small fee associated with this, but it's like a latte at Starbucks per month. It's $2 and change right now. That's going to keep you protected, keep you safe, keep you anonymous, and unlock all this content, okay? So once you're able to scan this barcode, I hooked up with IP Vanish to give you guys this discount, which is 82% off now, $2 and change for a monthly access of VPN. Okay, so it's like cheaper than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Okay, a latte at Starbucks. That's how cheap it is. And you can only get that discount by scanning this barcode with your Android or iPhone, or go into that bit link here you see, also in the pinned comment description. You'll end up on their landing page, and on that landing page, sign up with your credentials, put in your email that you use, create a password with them, and sign up. You'll get an email confirmation. Click on the email to confirm your email, and then log in by putting your email and password once you set up an account. To get set up with them, just like I said, scan the barcode or go to this link. And once you're set up, fill in the details and press login to unlock all the sports on your Fire Stick to make this work properly. As internet service providers have been putting a total block and no content will work, so I recommend using IPVanish. It works great, and I've tested all the sports and I've tested all the movies, and it does work with IPVanish. So pause the video if you need to take care of that. I'm going to log in with mine. I'll show you the next step you will do once you log in with your own account, what exactly you need to do to get all this content, okay? Okay, once you log in with your own account, the first step you want to take is click the gear icon. Now from here, say connect on Android Startup, flick it to the on position, click one back, go to location, click on the location button, go to countries, you want to scroll all the way to the United States. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to United States. And once you're there, click on United States, say favorite United States. It's going to put a yellow star on it. Click on United States again and say connect to United States. Okay, this is going to come up. You want to press the OK button here. And what's going to happen? It's going to flicker the screen now. And now you should be fully protected, fully anonymous, and able to stream all that content. So that's available to get set up if you need to pause the video. To take care of that, please do so. That's going to unlock all the sports and movies for you. Okay? Now, once done, I can just hit the home button. Now I'm connected and protected. I can open up the downloader application now. Okay? Press the OK button here. Click one up in here. And you want to put in the following code. 10381. So 10381 is the code. Put in 10381 and press the go button. What's going to happen? It's going to say connecting. It's going to take you to the next step. Okay? 10381 with that code. And without pressing anything, you'll see a pop-up come up and it'll start to download a special application just for you. There it is, connecting. I'm not even touching anything at all. This will pull into your Fire Stick. And you want to press the install button, but very important, press the done button. Don't press the open button. Let's press that done button, okay? Now, press the delete here, highlight it, and press the delete again, and that will delete the installation files. Now, what you want to do when you're done that, press the home button, and you'll notice something here that we have now unlinked here. But there's a final step we got to do. You want to click the gear icon. Okay. You want to go to My Fire TV or My Device. You want to go to Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps, and make sure you switch the unlocked to the on position, the unlinked application here. Now, any other apps you download, if they show up here in Install Unknown Apps, even media players and things like that for movies and TV show apps, make sure you always turn it on here. That will allow you to update the actual application if there's an update. So if the app does show up here, not all of them will, but if they do, please turn these to the on position in the Install Unknown Apps. Okay. Now let's click back about 8 times to go right to the main menu. Now we're going to start up the unlinked application. Let's start it up. It'll come up, look like this. You want to click the new library here. Just click on that. And this will blink. You want to click inside of that blinking cursor and you want to put in the code Firestick, all lowercase, just like that. We're just going to put in the code Firestick, okay? Everything's lowercase. And once you do that, you want to press that next button. Now what's going to happen, not only it's going to show you the best applications here, but when you're doing this at home on your Fire Stick, it won't be blurred out. It's blurred out on my screen right now, but at home when you're doing this, it won't be blurred out. Take a picture. It tells you the best top 10 applications for movies and TV shows, tells you the best 7 applications for live TV. Over 17 tested applications, but the store has over 60. Some work, some do not work, some are better than others, but this is the bread and butter that I update all the time, every single 2 weeks. This will give you all that information. Now, I know you can press the enter button, but I'm not going. Don't press the enter button. Just click one back and one back to throw you back out, and just restart the unlinked store once you're done that. Now, when you restart it, will automatically go into the store. Click the new tech apps, and this will expand some categories. For example, I'm in Firestick Tools, but you want to scroll down to the best sports apps, and I'm going to blur this out, but I'm going to tell you which exact apps to install. So go down to best sports apps, and the best sports, in my opinion, the best ones for sports are FlixVision, the live TV section. So just click on FlixVision, press download, and that has a live TV section. When you open the app, you go to live TV section, and in that section, you will be able to get all the sports, okay? There's a sports section, and you got over 10,000 channels in FlixVision. Not only FlixVision works for sports, it works for movies and TV shows as well. It's one of the best apps, but the live TV section is incredible. Sports, live TV, it's all that. So FlixVision, little purple icon, it's called FlixVision. Press install, screen will flicker, and the app is installed. Now, my second choice for simply just for sports style, no movies and TV shows, the Sports Fire. I just updated the newest version. Press the download. Blue little logo, Sports Fire is the exact name. I always update this application. It's going to give you amazingly live sports, live pay-per-view events, all that stuff. Press install app and press install on the Sports Fire application. And that just installed it. We just installed two so quickly. The third one is the Sports X application. Incredible. Press download. That has all the live games, all the events. The Sports X application is going to give you all of that. No extra players, no media players. Just open it up and start streaming sports. So here's Sports X. I'm just downloading it. It's a little bit larger, but it works very well. Once the application downloads, then you're just going to press the install button. And I'll show you, I'll unblur the screen soon, and I'll show you how to install applications. So if you're not getting the hang of this or you're having a hard time, but it's super simple. All I'm doing is clicking on the application, pressing download, and then pressing install. So we did the FlixVision, we did Sports Fire, okay? We did Sports X, and the last one is HD Streams, okay? Just press download and the HD Streams, that's my fourth one, and I'll list them again. FlixVision, Sports Fire, Sports X, and HD Streams. Those are the top 4 incredible applications that you will never miss a sports game, okay? FlixVision also works for movies and TV shows. There you go, that's it. Feel free to scroll down in all my categories. It's all blurred out, but there's a lot of stuff. And how do you know which ones are good? So now I'll blur the screen and we're back into the Firestick Tools section. You can always scan this barcode here, and that will take you to a page, and it'll list all the best application for the current month that I'm doing this video. So you can scan that, that'll give you all the information, okay? So those are great apps for sports. If you want for more movies and TV shows, scan that barcode under Firestick Tools, and that will show you all the application. And you can come back to my store, like I said, at any time by clicking on the unlinked store. And if you wanted to install an app that you find by scrolling up and down, left to right, just press the download button. And as I showed you earlier, blurred out, you would just click on the actual app, press install, and install button, and keep scrolling and downloading more. That's how quickly and easy you can do this. Press the home button and you'll see those applications just got installed here. FlixVision, Sports Fire, and the other two, you just expand here and you'll see them there. You got the HD Stream, Sports X, and then our last Task Kill Switch application that we installed. Okay, very simple, very easy to do. Now, I'll show you for this entire process. My VPN was turned on here. 7 minutes I was showing you this. With a VPN, you're going to get protected, get more links, get all those, unblock all those sports, all those special events, pay-per-views is going to work with the VPN connected to a US server. I showed a setup in an earlier part of the video. You can go back and watch that, or you can just, if you don't need a walkthrough how to use this step by step, simply scan the barcode here, go to this bit link, also in the pinned comment description, install the Android APK from the Amazon store like I've showed you in earlier steps, connect to US server, and that will unlock all the sports if something's not working right for you. I'm always connected to United States here, and this will keep me protected, keep me anonymous, and I can use this on as many devices as I want. So one account will work on all your devices in your house. So I use this on 10 Fire Sticks. I do a lot of testing. This will work very well, okay? So that's about it. These are my favorite sports apps. There's other ones like that you can download as well for movies and TV shows like FlixVision, OnStream, BTV, many others. You can scan that list in the unlinked Firestick Tools section, in that section I showed you. And I don't put a pin lock on my store. I might be putting a pin lock as people are knocking off my content, taking my files, linking to my files without any sort of credit for me. Therefore, I'm thinking of putting a 4-digit pin. If I ever do that in the future, the people that are going to get the pin number is the people that comment below this video. Just drop a comment. Where are you from? What city or town? What do you like? Do you like cake? Do you like hot dogs? Whatever. Just make a simple comment so I know who you are. And then if I do ever put a pin lock, I'll drop the pin lock right underneath this video in the comment section right below here. Very important that you guys comment. I would highly appreciate it. I don't ask for money. I don't ask for donation. Just drop a comment. It would be highly appreciated. Okay, that's about it. Also follow me on X. We're celebrating 1,500 followers now. Great community. I always tell you which apps I update. Join that community. Get a lot of info. Get a lot of stuff. Make sure you follow me. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the like. If you already watched the video, just nail that like button. It's going to help me tremendously. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. And have a beautiful, wonderful day. Take care. See you in the next video.